Just look at this delicious pot of soup. Hello, you're welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Gina. To my returning subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you for your continuous support and love. And if you are new here, you are most welcome. Today I am making one of Nigerian's most loved soups, Ogbono soup with okra and Ugu leaves. Stick with me to the end so I show you the step-by-step process. And I will also share tips on how to make your ogbono soup come out lump-free and smooth. These are all the ingredients I use in making the ogbono soup. I will leave the full list in the description box for you. I will start with the already washed cow meat. Add in your protein into the pot. Add seasoning cubes, salt and water. Cover and allow to cook. While the meat is cooking, let's prep the other ingredients that has not been prepped. The okra is already washed. I grated the okra using a manual hand grater. This will give the soup extra slimy effect. Adding okra to your ogbono soup is optional. I also debone and clean my bonga fish so that it is ready to go. Now that the meat has come to a boil, it is time to add in the washed Ponmo. This is the perfect time to add it so that it can cook along with the meat and also soak up the flavors from the seasoned stock and chewy to enjoy with your swallow. I washed my Ugu Leave thoroughly and chopped them finely using knife and chopping board. After the meat and Ponmo have cooked well together, I am going to add in the washed Panla fish, cleaned stock fish and the deboned Bonga fish. Also add in my ground dried pepper and add extra water for the soup base. At this stage, the aroma is already filling the kitchen. The combination of meat, fish and pepper builds such a rich base for the soup. Now I will add in my ground crayfish to the soup for a rich taste. Next, I pour in the palm oil for that lovely color and unique flavor. Let it boil for a few minutes. Now, the main ingredient, ogbono. I will add in my ground ogbono and stir in a circular motion until it melts completely. You will notice the soup begins to thicken and get slimy. That is the beauty of ogbono. My soup was a little bit thick, so I added 1.5 cup of water to loosen it up a bit. Always check the consistency. You want it thick but not heavy. I also adjusted the seasoning by adding an extra cube. Here is an important tip to take note of. It is very important to stir the soup in a circular motion when the ground ogbono powder is added to it. If this is not done, it will not be smooth and there will be lump in it. Now look at how slimy the soup is. This is before adding the grated okra. The grated okra is optional. The soup is slimy. This is where I will add my grated okra. This step is optional, but it will give the soup extra draw. Stir it and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. To finish it up, I will add in my chopped ugu leaves. Stir it in gently and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes because we still want it green, fresh and nutritious. And that is it. Our delicious ogbono soup with okra and ugu is ready. Thick, slimy and packed with flavors. Serve with fufu, semo, eba or any swallow of your choice. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe for more delicious, authentic Nigerian recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.